Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on extracting text from pictures on Windows 11 or 10 using PowerToys. The PowerToys version 0.62.0 and higher now includes a new text extractor feature that allows users to extract text from any image file on Windows 11 and 10. This feature lets you copy text directly from an image. For example, you have purchased an item and want to extract the shop address from the receipt. Just take a picture, and using the PowerToys application, you can pull the address and other information. PowerToys application includes a set of utilities to help improve the Windows experience. The app has been developed keeping in mind advanced users. However, anyone can use it. For instance, the app includes a window manager, image resizer, bulk file rename tool, keyboard manager to remap keys, color picker, OCR technology, etc. In this Garrop Windows article, you will learn how to extract text from images on Windows 11 and 10 through PowerToys. How to copy text from images using PowerToys. To extract text from images, first download and install the latest version of PowerToys, link provided in video description. Then, open PowerToys. Now, click on Text Extractor in the left sidebar. Next, click on the Open Settings button. On the pop-up window, ensure to turn on the toggle switch Enable Text Extractor. Note, if you want to disable OCR, Optical Character Recognition, feature, just turn off the toggle switch Enable Text Extractor. Now, leave the PowerToys application opened. Then, open the image from which you want to copy the text. After that, press the Windows + Shift + T keyboard shortcut. Now, select the text on the image. The text will be copied to the clipboard automatically. Finally, open an application, example, Notepad, Microsoft Word document, etc., and paste the copied text. That's it.